शिवरायांचे आठवावे रूप, शिवरायांचा आठवावा प्रताप, शिवरायांचा आठवावा साक्षेप, शिवरायांचे कैसे बोलणे, शिवरायांचे कैसे चालणे, सकल सुखांचा केला त्याग, म्हणून साधी जेतो योग, राज्य साधनेची लगबग कैसी केली.
Hello guys, this is Yadnesh Kochrekar. Right now I'm at Airoli. There's this program here wherein they are showcasing various weapons which were used during Shivaji Maharaj's time. So I'm going to show some of them to you. This you can see is the Dand Patta. This is a famous Maratha weapon. Dand Patta would mean a gauntlet sword. So you have to put in your hand here. So this is a gauntlet and this is attached to a sword here. That is a spear. I don't know what this sword is called, but it has a Karnataki handle here. This seems to be a cannonball. These are regular Indian talwars used by foot soldiers back then. These are also talwars, this one, but these have Karnataki handles attached to them. And these are slightly longer than the average Indian swords. In the middle you can see that is a khanda, a danda with a Karnataki handle. And again next to it is a talwar. But this talwar has some patterns, so if someone stabs the enemy with it, it is going to bleed a lot because of that. These are spearhead. This seems to be arrowhead as well. These are axes. There would be a wooden stick attached to them, and these are katyars. Different kinds of katyars here. Other than that, these are also spearheads. Hello. Different types of daggers as well. Here they have also showcased different kinds of naval ships used back then. Like this is Galbad Narang, this one is Galbad Rajahansa, this one here is Bhavani Prasad. So different kinds of ships which were used back then. This is the map of the Maratha Empire. So in 1680 you can see, 1680 is the year when Shivaji Maharaj had passed away. So the area that you see in orange here, that is near the coast of Konkan and near the southern India, that is the Maratha Empire. When Shivaji Maharaj passed away, he controlled more than 350 forts back then in this territory. And besides it is the map of Maratha Empire in 1759. So in 1759 you can see most of the Indian subcontinent is ruled by the Maratha Empire. Shivaji Maharaj had dreamt it to free India from foreign occupants. So the Marathas had fulfilled his wish. The northeast point here is the Peshawar and the Attock fort, which is current day in Pakistan. And to the east you can see the furthest point is Cuttack. And here you can see almost all of the Maharashtra, Gujarat, central India, all of it was under Maratha control. Even the Mughal Empire used to be a subsidiary to the Marathas. They were vassal state which paid Maratha Empire. So Delhi and all were under Maratha control back then. These are some contemporary portraits which were painted during Shivaji Maharaj's time. Under each one of them you can see the date. They are showcasing different kinds of paperwork back from that times. So most of them is in Modi Lipi. So these are the currency coins back then.
बोल छत्रपति श्री शिवाजी महाराज की जलस्थल अंबर देल
शिवरायांचा आठवावा साक्षी या महाराष्ट्र भूमीत 4 भावंडे काव्य कल्पनांचा एका मुलाचे नाव अक्षरे रसिके मेळवीन. प्रतिभेचे प्रत्येक दान पडू लागले. ज्ञानेश्वरांना अनुकूलच